Now from here we can give writing style. Bold, we can make it bold, and we can click on OK to show it. The square at the edges help to set its size. Now here you can change its big to small. Direction you can change. Okay. Alignment you can set from here. And spacing you can give very light, tight, loose, very loose. Okay. Text effect you can give from here. So that is the first step we did. Now here you can change its style. If you don't want to give that one, you can change from here. You can fill the color, or you can go with the previous one. You can give the outline shape. Okay, now difference you can see. Okay, we can change the shape direction from here. You might have seen, understand that the shape we can change like this. Okay, and we can increase while dragging it. From here we can increase its semicircle shape size. We can give shadow effect. We can give 3D effect. We can set angle of 3D shadow, and text wrapping we can do. Okay, let's give text wrapping to this. So back text is hiding, you know. So we can bring it, the text back, and set it as background. So this all option we can use. Width and height, we can set its width, whole selection width. It is selected one selection width we can set from here, and height. Okay. So by writing number, you can set that. I think this formatting word art is also over. Okay. By giving different 3D effect and shadow effect, this all option I have covered. This is about two object and two. This two are used for two similar content. If you use two word art, then this two will helpful in that. If you use two shapes, this two will helpful in that. And this is shape with text. Okay. And this is about the size of the word art or shape. Now inserting picture. Next topic is inserting picture. Let's see the inserting picture one. What is the shortcut to break the page? Control, enter. Okay. So let's see that we are getting the page or not. First, we have to set the cursor. Alt enter or control enter? Let's see. Control enter. Control enter is the correct one. Now, inserting word art. How to insert word art? We can that we have finished. Now next is inserting picture. How to click on insert and then picture. We have illustration. In the illustration group, we have picture and clip art. Both we can use. But what is the difference between this? This clip art is the part of picture of Word, MS Word. Okay. And this picture help to add the picture of different applications. different software that we use. For example, we can add the picture of paint, we can add the picture of different different picture format, that is PNG, or the picture that are available that we create. To different picture we can add. Okay, suppose that this picture we can add. Okay, we can resize it also. And we can give boundary to the picture, border to the picture. Okay, there are different borders available. So this how you can add in your front page that I ask you to design. Okay, add the picture and give whatever you want. Now